Hello students, I just wanted to go ahead and post this in case some students are wondering exactly how to turn in their website project. I thought we'd go ahead and post this up, especially since we had that snow day. So if you guys navigate over to Google Classroom, this case here we have period 6, but it works for any different class. It's been posted to all of them. And you should see something that says submit your final website address here. So if you go ahead and click on that, it will take you to a Google Slides. And so you can see here in this class, we've had a few students already figure out how to do it. But what you guys would need to do is you would need to go to your website. And so here's a sample here, and you see up here it says publish. So if you guys go ahead and you publish that, it's going to ask you to name your website. Okay, and so I've already done that one, so let me unpublish it and then publish it real quick. So let's say we go ahead and make it, title it whatever you guys need to do. Okay, so don't go ahead and put www. whatever, because this here is going to be your website, and whatever you do is at the end is going to be where you name your website there. So let's just say Robinson Civics. You make yours there, so you publish that. Okay, and then you go up here, it says view published site. All right, and so in this case, you would just go up once you've done that. Let me adjust here. So you can see up here, you would just go ahead and copy that. Then go back over to your particular class, find your name, and then just paste it like so. And that will be it. So that is how you guys go ahead and post that. You guys all do have permission to edit, and I think that should take care of everything you need to know. If not, please just shoot me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, thank you guys. Have a great weekend.